In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll understand how to open Smartsheet, start something new, and display your work as a clean, timeline-based Gantt chart that makes your schedule easy to read and share. First, head to smartsheet.com in a modern web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your usual account. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll see navigation on the left, your recent items in the middle, and key actions across the top. If you already have a sheet with task data, feel free to open it. If you're starting fresh, we'll begin in a way that sets you up for a Gantt chart view right away. Next, click the Create button. Depending on your setup, it might appear as a plus icon or as a labeled button near the top. When you click it, Smartsheet shows options for starting new work like sheets, reports, dashboards, or project-focused items. This is your launchpad for organizing information in a way that can be charted. If you're brand new, a simple project-oriented sheet is ideal because it's aligned with timelines, which Gantt charts display beautifully. Now, click Gantt. Choosing the Gantt option switches your view to a timeline chart that lives side by side with your grid. On the left, you'll see rows for tasks. On the right, you'll see a horizontal timeline with bars that represent the duration of each task. As you add task names along with start and end dates, those entries automatically become bars on the chart. If you already have tasks listed, watch how they instantly take shape on the timeline once dates are present. A few helpful tips as you work in this view. If a task isn't showing up, check that it has valid start and end dates. You can expand or collapse the date scale to show days, weeks, or months, which makes it easier to zoom out for a big picture plan or zoom in for detailed scheduling. If your project has dependencies, linking tasks will draw connecting lines that make the sequence clear. You can also drag the edges of a bar to adjust duration right on the chart, which updates the dates in the grid automatically. Keep your task names concise, and consider grouping related items to keep the chart tidy and readable. That's it. You went to Smartsheet, clicked Create, and switched to the Gantt view to generate a clear, visual project chart. Practice with a small sample project, and you'll be charting timelines with confidence in no time.